Alright, April 26th here, on top of some fucking ridge line, and as you can see, it just hailed. I lost half my tent here. The dirt farmer over there had a fucking tree fall on his tent. Good sized tree. You okay?
I was in it.
While he was, are you okay, dirt farmer?
It hit my shoulder. It's a little sore. I think I'm okay now.
If you couldn't hear that, he said it hit his shoulder, but he's okay. It's a little sore. But that tree definitely fell on his tent. Dude, that's a big tree. Holy shit. Look at that hail. Well, folks, check the weather before you go hiking. I tell ya, this is very fun. Here she comes again.